Hey friends, today I'll tell you how to find area of isosceles triangle. So let's get right into it. We have ABC as an isosceles triangle with AB equal to x, AC also equal to x and BC equal to y. So we have AD, that is the bisector of the triangle, and divides BC into two parts. So angle ADB equals to angle ADC, which is 90 degrees. Over here we have a right angle triangle. So first we need to know the altitude. For that we will use Pythagoras theorem, which is AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. We need to find AD, that is our altitude. So we'll write AD square equals to AB square minus BD square. Now for AD it would be under root AB square minus BD square. So we'll put the values. For AB square we'll have under root x square minus BD square, that is y by 2 the whole square. On simplifying it we get under root 4x square minus y square upon 4, which is 1 by 2 under root 4x square minus y square. This is our equation for finding the altitude in an isosceles triangle. Now we'll find the area of the right angle triangle, that is ADB. So area of right angle triangle ADB equals to half into AD into BD. That is half into altitude into base. So we have our altitude as half under root 4x square minus y square into BD, that is our y by 2. So on simplifying it we'll get 1 by 8 into under root 4x square minus y square into y. This is for the area of triangle ADB, that is half of triangle ABC. So for area of triangle ABC it would be 2 into area of triangle ADB. So we have 2 into 1 by 8 into under root 4x square minus y square into y. On simplifying it we will get that y by 4 into under root 4x square minus y square. This is our equation for area of equilateral triangle. That's it for the video guys. I hope you like and enjoy the video.